In my experience, most incoming law students are excited about starting law school. This is a big decision and it takes a lot of work just to get here. Also, in my experience, I think most are a little bit apprehensive as they start this journey. One of the best parts of my job is getting to tell students as they come into UDSL that the Academic Success Program is here to help them along.
The Academic Success Program really provides a great introduction into the study of law. So from orientation and also with the Learning Skills Lab, we give students all of the tools that they need to succeed early on. We bring you in and we help you to learn how to read cases, to brief those cases, to start your outlines for your courses. And we provide, again, that instruction very early so that by the time you reach your doctrinal courses in week number 2, the week after orientation, you already have those skills that you need to really engage in those courses.
One of the most important parts of the Academic Success Program, to my mind, is the individualized support that we provide to students. So we meet one-on-one with students, starting from the earliest days of law school, all the way through graduation. Sometimes we just need a little bit of extra guidance on something like course outlining or case briefing, exam preparation strategies.
I would really encourage students to come in with an open mind. Law school will be different than your undergraduate studies, but if you really come in and pay attention to what you learn during orientation and during the Learning Skills Lab, and really think critically and internalize that great advice and utilize it as you begin your doctrinal courses, this can really ease the transition and help you to succeed.
The advice that I was given actually by Dean Shaw when I was an entering student to UDSL was to clean your garage before you came to law school. You're not going to have much free time once law school starts rolling along. So anything that you can do to be more conducive to being successful once you're in law school is a good idea.
You are not the first one to go down this path. So there actually are lots of resources out there. Especially if someone is not coming from a background where you know lots of lawyers, or you have other lawyers in your family, know that there are others who have gone down this path and that there are lots of folks and lots of resources available to help you get used to it.